welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is okay today. I'll review new project name is student coin project. Okay, all the thing of student coin is good. Okay, today we'll discuss about student coin details to their website. Okay, hope you will be able to understand all the thing about this project. Okay, don't skip this video, stay full video. So let's discuss the main topics of the student coin. Okay, so student coin, that's the goal of student coin is to transform the future of the digital economy. Student coin is the very fast platform that enables users to quickly plan, okay, create and handle personal business NFT and DeFi token. So everything is all of this project. Okay, bullet and manage your own token. Okay, it is simple. Student coin is the fast crypto platform that allows users to easily design, create, and manage your personal start of NFT and DeFi token. Okay. So there is a many option launch word. Okay, I show roadmap theme community. Okay, so launch for ISO. Okay, join the biggest ISO of 2021. Student coin aims to change the future of the digital economy. Student coin is the fast platform that allows users to easily design, create, and manage personal, corporate, NFT and DeFi token. Okay, so join Launchpad. Okay, there is many option. Okay, what is the student coin? A blockchain based project. Okay, to introduce or place the tokenization into the main thematic student coin. Bullet and the platform and easily create and develop personal, corporate, startup and financial token. Okay, support by students. Okay, fundamental values and dividends. Okay, so okay, tool for everyone. Okay, transparency and legitimate. Okay, developer recommend exchange. Okay, how student coin is the next big thing. Okay, so it is in center of the currency. It is the power. It is on exchange. So it is the power the token terminal. Okay, students token is stake STC and earn dividends. Okay, join the STC token share. Okay, so invest in the STC token with any cryptocurrency, direct deposit, bank transfer. So okay, use a plans. Okay, so STC token. So STC token by student coin token. STC, the student coin token is called the STC. It is run on an OS blockchain that utilize OS in the protocol and stable Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so student coin provide opportunity for exchanging from on blockchain to the next and also acts on the reference currency and storing value for all student coin token available in the ecosystem. So okay, tokenomics. Okay, so tokenomics, click the Launchpad ISO plan. Okay, check the details tokenomics. So everything is all of this project. Okay, see Launchpad ISO timeline date. Okay, August. Okay, 2021. Okay, and Q3 2021 launch of the mobile apps and token wallet. Okay, so team, a good project with a killer structure of this project. Okay, uh, student STC token details, STC token in media, STC token pre listing. Okay, so all details here. Some more questions. So everything is all of this project. Okay, legal information of this project. Okay, this is a legal information uh, of this project. Okay, so okay. This is a very good project and its team is working very hard. This project going to give us a very good profit. Okay, so no more today. Okay, thanks for watching.